DocuSign's iPhone app allows you to electronically sign and initial documents directly from your iPhone. First, download the DocuSign app from the App Store and log in or create an account. To sign a document, upload it via camera scan, your photo library, or cloud services like Google Drive or Dropbox. The app supports PDFs, Word documents, and images. Then, use your finger, a stylus, or a digital pen to create your signature. The app offers customizable signature styles. To initial, tap the Initial tool and place them on the appropriate fields. Since the October 2025 v9.8 update, the app uses AI to automatically detect signature fields, saving you setup time. This feature is especially useful for repeat users, reducing manual setup by up to 40%. After signing and initialing, you can send the document to recipients, add their email addresses, set the signing order if necessary, and include optional deadlines. Recipients will receive notifications to sign on their devices. DocuSign prioritizes security with encryption, audit trails, and compliance with GDPR and eIDAS. Advanced features include watermarking and tamper-evident seals to ensure document integrity. The envelope system securely bundles documents for transmission. The app now supports Face ID and Touch ID for biometric authentication, adding extra security in response to past data breach concerns. You can even work offline in draft mode, with changes syncing when you reconnect to the internet.